Hello students, let us continue the lesson Physical and Chemical Changes. Let us consider a few more changes where new substances are formed. Now can you see children here? This is a magnesium ribbon. This is a magnesium ribbon. So we'll have an activity here. Get a small piece of thin strip of or a ribbon of magnesium. Clean its tip with sandpaper. Now bring the tip of the magnesium ribbon near a candle flame. What happens? It burns with a brilliant white light. Magnesium ribbon on burning, it gives a brilliant white light and a lot of heat is also produced. When it is completely burnt, it leaves behind a powdery ash. Now, does the ash look like magnesium ribbon? No, the magnesium ribbon has completely changed into ashes. Now collect the ash. After this, collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. Stir the mixture, that is aqueous solution, well. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. Now what we have done, this ash of the magnesium ribbon, burnt magnesium ribbon, it's mixed with water, a little amount of water. Stir the mixture and this mixture is tested with blue and red litmus papers. Now, does the mixture turn red litmus blue or blue litmus red? So what is the test of a litmus test here? To check the acidic or basic solution. On the basis of this test, how do you classify the aqueous solution, acidic or basic? On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. This change can be written in the form of the following equation. When magnesium is burnt, it is oxidized. It is mixed with oxygen and it forms magnesium oxide. This burnt magnesium is converted into ashes. This ash is mixed with water, H2O. Magnesium oxide is MgO. What happens? A new substance is formed, magnesium hydroxide. So this reaction is shown with an equation. Magnesium oxide mixes with water, new substance magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice is formed. Here, as you have learned already in the lesson acids, bases and salts, magnesium hydroxide is a base. The new substance formed on burning of magnesium oxide mixes with water, forms magnesium hydroxide. It is another new substance formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. This is a chemical change. There is another activity. Dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate in about half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Like this. This is copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate is blue crystals. Dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate, that is blue vitriol. It is also called blue vitriol or Neela Tota, in about a half cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker as shown in the picture. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. What happens? You will get a blue colored solution. This is the blue colored solution. Save a sample of the solution in a test tube or a small glass bottle. This solution, it is taken in a small glass bottle, a little solution. Now drop a nail or a used shaving blade. Can you see the blade there? Can you see the blade inside the bottle? Yes, drop a nail or a used shaving blade into the remaining solution. Wait for half an hour or so. Now observe the color afterwards. Observe the color of the solution. Compare it with the color of the sample solution, that is saved separately. Now what do you observe? Do you see any change in the color of the solution? So before it was blue, now it has turned to green. So the chemical reaction has taken place. Take out the nail or the blade. Now what is the color of the nail there? Sorry, blade. Has it changed in any way? The changes that you notice are due to a reaction between copper sulfate and iron. The blade is made of iron. The change of color of the solution from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate. Copper sulfate mixes with iron, forming iron sulfate, and the copper is deposited on the blade. The brown deposit on the iron nail is copper. That is another new substance, copper. It's formed. We can write the reaction as copper sulfate solution, blue, plus iron gives iron sulfate solution, that is green, and the copper that is deposited on the blade. This is also a chemical change where a new substance is formed. Yes, let us end up the class here. Thank you.